Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to access a network switch. There are two main ways to access and configure your network switch, via web interface and via command line. We're going to do the web interface. This switch includes built-in HTTP and HTTPS servers for web-based management. Just connect your computer to the same network as the switch, either directly via Ethernet or through a router. Ensure the network route between your PC and the switch is available. Use Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome and enter the switch's IP address. Just in your browser address, type 192.168.0.1. Now log into admin, username and then password, and once logged in, the main web interface dashboard will appear. Here you can view the switch's status, ports, traffic, and configure various settings. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.